Another day, another cook.
Yep.
We're calling this one
Teriyaki Chicken Sticky Noodles.
That's
Nailed
right.
it. Yes, I was going to say teriyaki sauce chicken sticky noodles. Yep.
You want to see how we knock this out on the Ultimate Griddle? Stick around while we
Dig in.
Well, this is another dish that we gotta let cool down for a minute. So we're
Yes, it
going
is
to tell you
hot.
all about this. Now, a few years ago, my daughter introduced this to me. It was just sticky noodles. She got some ramen
Okay.
and threw some cheese and some seasoning in it. And she's like, Dad, you ought to try this. And we make this all the time at home. And I thought, man, you know what? I would really like to do this with some chicken thighs and get this on the griddle. And guess
Yeah.
what? Here we are.
Exactly. It's like a fried rice version of noodles.
Right. So, Brett, it is. Brett, what groceries went into this?
Okay, well, we got chicken thigh.
Uh-huh.
We've got cheddar cheese.
Yes.
We've got chicken ramen.
Right.
And then we use some, Mr. Yoshida's. That is
Yeah.
the star of the show.
Mr. Yoshida's, and
Yep. And then we used some sesame seeds and some green onion for garnish.
Green onion for the garnish. And yeah, we will use the seasoning packets in the ramen. You'll see it will come into play thanks to Sherry, who took care of the ramen inside the house.
Yes.
But then we got to the griddle. What do we do?
Well, first thing we
We had to marinate this
we
chicken.
marinated
Forgot
this
about that.
chicken, exactly, which we did last night. It was an overnight marinade, so it's been sitting for about 12 to 15 hours.
Yeah.
And so it's ready to go. So
In the fridge.
in
not,
the
not sitting out.
Yeah. So went ahead and we turned the Ultimate Griddle on to about medium now.
So got up to medium heat?
So got it up to medium heat on this Ultimate 5-burner griddle, and just let the chicken start to cook. And so that's what we did. After flipping, after about 3 to 4 minutes, we let the other side cook just about all the way through, and then we started chopping this chicken up.
Cut it up, got it all into little bite-sized pieces,
Yep.
and then my favorite part's always eating it. But the most fun part to watch was watching Brett plop these noodles.
Just all 6 packs of the noodles plop right there on
Right
top of it.
Broke up really easy though.
Yep, exactly right. And then I got to start playing with food, and it was great.
Added the seasoning packets. Now, you can add all 6. It can get very, very, very savory, so
Yep.
we only used 4 of them. We started
Salty,
with 3. We started with 3 packets, added some of the Yoshidas, the cheese, got this all in there,
Yep.
mixed it up. I tasted a little bit. We wanted just a little bit more savoriness, so we added one more packet. You can add more packet, you can add more Yoshidas. The key to this is start with less. Less is more, because I've made it before using too much Yoshidas or
Okay.
too much seasoning, and it
That
got
is a
very
thing.
salty.
Okay.
So you got to be careful. Watch this, but dude, we mix this up and we got it bowled up, and that
Here
brings
we
us
go to this moment right
here.
now.
Brett, like we say, it can look amazing.
This looks absolutely amazing. I would order this just by looking at it.
Like we say, it can smell amazing.
Oh, if I haven't mentioned it, can I get a smell? Yeah.
No, yeah, you can. But if it doesn't taste amazing, this is all for
naught.
naught.
Got some chicken.
Yeah, get a little bit
some
of everything,
noodles.
right?
Cheers.
I'll eat to that, my brother.
That chicken, so good.
And here's what's funny. This tastes a little different because at home we've always used the Mexican rice, or Mexican cheese. The Mexican 4-cheese blend or whatever, so the sharp cheddar gives it a different flavor, but it's so good. It still works in the same way. I can't get over it.
That chicken.
Adding that chicken to that.
Takes me back to Bamboo Hut, dude.
Uh-huh.
Is there something different you do with ramen noodles rather than just make ramen soup?
Yeah.
Ramen noodles?
Yeah, we've been doing this a lot more. Another good friend, Ninja Q, Jordan, has been doing a lot of dishes with ramen, and there's so many things you can do other than just cook the ramen. Now, my kids just like the ramen noodles, but this is a fun one to do on your griddle. This was so much fun to make.
So much fun.
You got to try this one on your griddle. And the Ultimate 5-burner was spectacular for this, a total champ on that one. If you did enjoy the video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. It's one way in which you can support the channel here and what we do. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out the other content here by the great creators on the Pit Boss Grills channel. And if you're so inclined, go check us out, the Waltwins, over on our channel or on all of our social media platforms as well.
We are there.
Man, I love that we get to come and do this.
Knocking out another
bangers.
banger. Yep, exactly right. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Ultimate Griddle Show.